Through the streets where we grew up, under skies we know so well, every corner holds a memory, every story we can tell.
From the morning light that finds us to the lights across the bay, different dreams, 1,000 journeys, still we find our way. And when the world feels far away, there's a place that calls my name. This is where my heart belongs, where we stand and carry on. Through the years, through every change, we are stronger, we remain. Hand in hand beneath the sky, with our hopes reaching high. No matter where tomorrow leads, this will always be our home. We've watched the city dreams arise, built from hands and hearts together, reaching for the skies.
And though our paths may differ, there's something we all share. A little piece of this island lies with us everywhere.
And when the road takes me away, I know my heart will always stay. This is where my heart belongs, where we stand and carry on. Through the years, through every change, we are stronger, we remain. Hand in hand beneath the sky, with our hopes reaching high. No matter where tomorrow leads, this will always be
Our home. One island, many stories, one future we can make. Every dream, every voice, every step we choose to take.
And when the lights shine through the night, where we've come, together we look to tomorrow. Together we become. This is where our hearts belong, where we've learned to carry